In this video, we will address the issue of Cash App not working and guide you to the steps to fix it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first things first, to address Cash App not working, start by ensuring a stable internet connection. So Cash App functions optimally with a reliable connection, so if you're facing issues, then attempt switching to an alternative Wi-Fi network or utilize your cellular data. Next is ensure that you have the latest version of the Cash App. So just simply check your App Store or Play Store for any updates. Now, if there's an update available, then go ahead and install it to enhance your app experience. Next up is considering clearing the app cache. So occasionally, the app cache or data can become corrupted, leading to issues with Cash App functionality. So to resolve this, just attempt clearing the app cache or data. Now, after doing all this basic troubleshooting and the issue is still there, you just need to reach out to Cash App customer support for assistance, as they can provide specific guidance and support tailored to your situation. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you should be on your way to resolving the issue with Cash App. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.